Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick update regarding my 2005 GMC Yukon Denali. And really the update is more so for the stereo and something that I figured out, and I'm really happy. So I just want to share this with you guys. So as you guys know, I have a 2005 GMC Yukon Denali, and I went ahead and done quite a few upgrades on the system, including the stereo, and the Sony stereo has worked really well. I'm very happy with it and really have no complaints at all. The one thing I do miss from the original stereo was the ability to be able to play your sound from the rear entertainment system directly through the speakers. And so that's something I've been wanting for a while, and I just recently figured out how to get that done. I know some of you may say, well, you could just use the headphones. I don't have the headphones. I didn't really want to buy the headphones, didn't really care, but I just wanted to at least be able to hear the sound coming directly through the speakers. And like I said, I was able to figure that out. So let me just quickly tell you how to get this done. What you need is basically a 3.5 millimeter headset jack thing that converts into a Y pair of RCA female inputs. And as you can see, I already have mine plugged in here. So it basically plugs into the aux right here on the front of the stereo. And then it's connected on the back to the GM. I think it's the GM Pack 11. I can't remember the exact number, but it's a GM interface that you most likely have installed to get the stereo working. So on that interface, there are a pair of RCA outputs, and those are outputs. Those outputs are for the rear entertainment. So once you connect this directly to that and you change your source to aux, which I'm going to do right now.
That's how Sister Ron was arrested.
You can hear the sound.
Really
comes right through.
So I asked the police.
So the only thing is, it's not a very clean install. I wish, honestly, there were, aux directly, RCA aux directly on the back of the stereo. Unfortunately, there isn't. For now, this isn't bad. I mean, it's hardly noticeable, and you can still plug in your CarPlay right here, and that still works just fine. So I think I'm gonna live with this. I think it's perfectly fine. I don't have any issues. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about that, just in case anybody runs into the same issue, because I know on the original stereo you had that capability. And from all the installs that I've watched, I've not heard anybody talk about being able to watch the rear entertainment directly through, not watch, but to hear the rear entertainment directly through the speakers after you've done like an upgrade like this. So anyway, just thought I'll share that. If you guys have questions, just let me know. The price of this Y adapter is probably like $6 from Amazon. So it's really inexpensive. So it's something you can, probably get next day if you have Prime. And, it took me, maybe 10 minutes to put this in. Actually, probably less than that, maybe 5 minutes. It's just really a plug and play, and you're good to go. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye.